Here we go, episode 3, part 1. It's lunchtime, cooking with Ash. Don't forget our mission, cooking 5 days worth of food, 2 meals, lunch and dinner for a family of 4 for £25, 5 for 25. Today, doing a brunch staple, avocado on toast and poached eggs. Let's do this. Okay, first up, let's have a look at what we've got ingredients-wise. 4 eggs, I've got a lemon, 2 nice avocados, I have some sunblush tomatoes that we reserved from our risotto recipe, and a loaf of tiger bread. Keep half the bread for now, half for later. Cut it into 4 and give it a nice splash of oil. Mop it around a little bit, and we're just gonna get that in the oven for 2 minutes. While that's going, let's prep our avocados. Easy peasy, all right? A lot of people don't know how to tell if an avocado's right. They're kind of squeezing, pushing. All you do with your thumb, press in the top. If it feels soft, but slightly firm still, you're onto a winner. If it feels like mush, chances are it's ruined. If it's rock hard, no chance. Easy peasy with these. Knife goes in, make an incision, and then just run the avocado around the blade of the knife. That comes off, we twist, and there we go. Using your knife and taking care, just punch the stone a little bit. It comes out, all right? Take care of it. And then, to get the avocado out of the shell, scoop around and down. And we're just going to cut these in a really nice sort of arrangement, so we're going to fan it. Really slowly, we're just going to slice across as many times as we can, nice and thin. Then we just push down. Now we have a really nice fan of avocado. Slice up the rest of your avocados and grab the bread out of the oven. Okay, next we're going to transfer our avocado across. Using your knife, just slowly pick it up. And across. Season the avocados, salt and pepper. Gonna give it a little drizzle with our sunblush tomato oil that we had. Next, we're gonna poach our eggs. Little lesson, it needs to be a rolling boil, nothing too rapid. No big boils, just a rolling boil. I like nice deep water with a lid. Now, loads of people say different things about poached eggs. For me, white wine vinegar is all you need. Once it comes out, we're going to season the eggs separately. Rolling boil, lid comes off, tap on the side, and just crack your egg in. Goes in. Eggs are in, lid goes on. We're going to give it about a minute, and then we're going to go check on them. Alexa, set the timer for 1 minute. Thanks, Alexa. All right, a minute has passed. We're just gonna have a little double check on our eggs. They, to me, are perfect. A little soft to the touch. All the white seems to be cooked. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get them out. I like to drain them on a bit of towel or a bit of blue paper, a bit of kitchen roll. Just stops all the excess water like swamping your plate. Drain and on. And there we go. Soft, but there's no snotty white, anything like that. And then they just need seasoning. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Our eggs are done. Slice your lemon into quarters and remove the white pith. And that's it, everything's ready. Start plating up. Avocado goes on. Some of our diced sunblush tomatoes from before. One of our poached eggs. Nice wedge of lemon. And a bit more of our sunblush tomato oil. There we go. Avocado toast, poached eggs, sunblush tomatoes and lemon. Nice bit of yolk porn going on there. That's what we like. Now, I actually really don't like avocado, despite the fact I've made a living off it. So my trusty assistant Dan's gonna eat it instead. There you go, mate. Say hello, Dan.
Hello, Dan. All right.
Oh, now that's food porn.
Yeah, really straightforward. It's bright, it's easy. Tomatoes, good choice.
Oh, right, off my station. 2 meters!
Right.
All right, thanks very much for joining. Next, for dinner, we're gonna be doing a homemade gnocchi with some peas, lots of butter, really good. Tune in, see you then.